Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. Today I am going to discuss about the three very important applications that will be useful to you in the e-learning in medicine. So these are three apps are, one is Telegram, second is Edmodo, and third is Google Classroom. So I will discuss in detail one by one. So first, I shared the screen with you. Okay, so now one of the important app is Telegram. So you can see here in the Telegram there is group can be made up to the 2 lakh people. Okay, and one person can invite up to 200 people, but 2 lakh, 200K, 200,000 members can be added in the one group. And media supported is up to the 1.5 GB. Okay, so this is very important application. So you can make your classroom or group. You can teach students via enrolling them in the Telegram. So I am showing you in the mobile. So you can just see on the side that showing my application. Okay, so I'm just opening my Telegram app. Okay, so you can see here I open my Telegram here. Now I will go to the my channel. We have made one channel of the students. You can see here 195 students are enrolled. Okay, so here by going to the attachment, you can send any file, you can send your PPT, you can send any picture also, any video also. Okay, so any file up to the 1.5 GB you can share. Now recent feature is there is a poll feature. Okay, so suppose I write the question, which amino acid can form vitamin? Okay, so your option like first suppose I write tyrosine, and second I am writing tryptophan, third I am writing glutamic acid, and fourth is histidine. Okay, and you have to just go to the quiz mode, okay, and select the correct answer. Like here the correct answer is tryptophan. Tryptophan will form the niacin, which is the vitamin B3. Okay, so just make this, and so here you have to write question which amino acids, there was an option, okay, which amino acids can form vitamin. These are 4 options. Okay, you can add up to the 10 MCQ, 10 options. Okay, now I'm just creating it. You can see here now there is a question is there. So you can just select, like suppose I'm selecting this tryptophan. You can see here. Okay, the tryptophan it is showing. Okay, so this is all about the how you can create the poll, and it will be interesting for the student also. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about this Edmodo app. This is a very good app, okay, for e-learning, Edmodo. So you have to just log in with the help of your Google account. You can create your own account, but I have already logged in via the Google. So that is very useful and secure also. So I'm just logging via my Google ID. So you can see here, now we have reached to the Edmodo app. So desktop version is also supporting, and mobile app is also supporting. Okay, so I'm just showing you in my mobile screen also. So just I am starting the app. So you can go to the Edmodo. So I'm going to this Edmodo app. Okay. So you can share with the student. So here there is the option. So you can create the assignment like that, or you can send direct message or post to the group. Okay. And you can go to the class. And here you can create your own class. Okay, and join the class. So join the class with the help of code. Okay, so the person who is creating the class, suppose I make one class here. I will write, suppose I write clinical chemistry. Subject area, anything. Grade you can select and create the class. Okay, so you can see here now the class is selected. Okay, those clinical chemistry. Okay, and here there is a this class IRWN4Y. This is my code, class code. Okay, so I can share with the student and they can join via this class code. It is a very important, very useful. Okay, suppose I have made one class of the students, so you can share your folders here. Okay, you can see all the members, and we have made a group of the students. So as per new curriculum of Medical Council of India, so the small group activity, okay, we can make the, we can give activity like we can give assignment. Okay, so this is a very good app, and once you join, you can see the previous activity also. In Telegram also, you can see the previous activity. Once you join, even the activity that has been conducted in that class, you can see. So that is both Telegram and Edmodo, both have a same facility. Okay, like this. So this is very useful. So you can share your post here. Okay, and you can share your Google form also here. So if I share any Google form, you can see also. Okay, students can, I can create the multiple choice question and student can fill it, and I can see the response in the Google form, and whatever difficulty they are facing, we can select it. Okay, and we can again teach them. Lastly, so we have seen about Telegram, Edmodo. Now I am going to teach about the Google Classroom. Okay, so now I have entered in the Google Classroom. So here you can, with the only one disadvantage as compared to Edmodo and Telegram, here you will require, the student will require the Google account to join, and you can give assignment, you can share the Google form also here. Okay, so I will show you how does it looks. Okay. Suppose I have made one group, and you can invite the student via the code. So I am sharing one link with the student. Okay, so suppose I have shared this screen. So now again I am seeing the Google Classroom. So you can see my screen, mobile screen also at present. So I'm going to the Google Classroom. Okay, it will be shown as the classroom. Okay, you have to just select it. Okay, and you have to just go to the class. Okay, so now you can see here in the screen that there is a form is there. I can select. Okay, so 20 mark MCQ. I have to write, student have to write his name. And roll number. how you can use this Google Classroom also. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you very much for listening my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.